Okay, just going to do a partial uncover here to start it up. I like to start it up every week just to keep it running right, keep the batteries charged and all that good stuff. Hey there, buddy. Come here. Hey there. What you doing? You hungry? Ooh, ooh. This is Buddy. I don't know if y'all can see him. He looks like a boxer mix. He recently started showing up on my property looking for food, so I'm going to feed him real quick. I'm going to stop this video. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come here. Good boy. Okay, I'm back. I fed Buddy. That's what I'm calling him. I might adopt him since Barney's getting old and not going to make it much longer. I might have to bring Buddy to the pound and get him checked out, see if he belongs to anybody, and then maybe adopt him. Good. So now we're going to start this puppy up. Come on, back up. Back up. So I just start, I call her Big Blue. I just start her once a week to keep it running fresh and everything. But, so she needs work, but I got her cheap. Actually got her for free, so I can't complain. Needs some work, but overall it's good. Oh, it's a 4x4, I didn't mention that. It's 4x4, heavy duty, Dodge 2500 Cummins Turbo Diesel. So it's lifted up, it's got a heavy duty suspension. Cummins Turbo Diesel, Ram 2500. So it's going to be a beast once I get it all running right.